Okay, fine. So these are the questions which we are going to solve today. So in previous class we already have discussed what do you mean by static indeterminacy, how we can find out the static indeterminacy in the case of frame, in the case of the truss, pin jointed truss. So in the case of the pin jointed, so the DSI, the static indeterminacy, internal static indeterminacy, how we are finding, this is m minus, this is 2j minus 3, and the DSC external static indeterminacy, that is r minus 3. In the case of frame, that the static indeterminacy we are finding, this is as 3m plus r minus 2j. Just hold it for a second. Okay. So for pin jointed frame, we already have discussed the DSC r minus 3 and the DSI is m minus 2j minus 3. And for pin jointed plane frame, that is 3m plus r minus 3j. So this is 3 into j, and the DSC, how we are finding the DSC external, this is another form, this is r minus 3, and this is DSI we are finding separately, that is 3 times of c. C is the number of cuts. Okay, this have already have discussed. So today we are going to solve these questions. So first question, you see, actually here it is a rigid plane frame. This is a rigid plane frame in which some pin jointed joint are there. This is one pin jointed, so this is pin jointed, and this is one pin jointed, and this is the internal hinge are there. So whenever there will be any internal hinge in between the rigid frame, so first of all we have to assume there is no internal hinge present. You calculate the ds, total ds. Then after you deduct the how many members are meeting this particular joint, you deduct that one. So now you see, if you solve this one, I have solved this one. See, so in this figure, let me zoom this one so we can able to see. Okay, fine. So in this one, so this is the frame. First of all we have to find out the ds. What is the ds? ds is 3m plus r, 3m plus r, this is minus 3j. Let me draw 3m plus r minus 3j. Okay, what is m? M is the number of member is how much? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8, and this is 9. So 9 numbers of members are there. What is the number of joint? Number of joint will be, this is 1. Okay, so this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So 7 joints are there. What is the number of reaction? So this is a fixed, this is 3 reaction, and here is 3. Total number of reaction is 6. So now if you use this one, this 3m plus r minus 3 into j, so you put, so you are getting, this is the static indeterminacy 12. When we are ignoring the hinges, we are finding out the static indeterminacy. So step 2, what is what? So we have to, now we have to consider the internal hinge. So you see this particular hinge, how many members are meeting at this particular hinge? This is one member, this is second member, this is third, so this is 4. So I already told you, so ds total will be equal to, this is ds dash minus, we have to do what is m minus 1, number of member meeting that joint minus 1. So you have to do here 3, 4 minus 1 3, here also in this case 4 minus 1 3, here also 3, here also 3, and this is 4 minus 1, here also 3. So total we have to deduct 9 from this ds. That is only you have done. So this is 12 minus 3, this is m minus 1, another joint, this is m minus 1, this is m minus 1. So all this you have to deduct. Okay, so the 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So final is this is 3. So if you see, the correct answer for this question will be this is 3. Okay, 3. Now you solve the second question. Second question you try to solve. So here is some axial hinge and shear hinge are there. You see, if you zoom this one, okay, so this is the figure. So these are the axial hinge part are there. This is axial hinge. You draw the figure, then I will solve. And these are the shear hinge. Okay, in axial hinge, the axial force cannot be transmitted, but other forces can be, like shear force, bending moment can be transmitted. But in shear hinge, the shear force cannot be transmitted from one member to another member, but other force can be transmitted. This is also internal hinge in the member. Whenever you find the hinge, don't afraid. First of all, you calculate the ds by considering there is no internal hinge is present. Okay, so if some student who are actually coming new to this lecture, please I will share with the video, or you ask the Hrusikesh, he will actually teach you. So how to find out, there is 3 or 4 steps are there. So you follow the step, you find out. So those who have attended the class, like only Hrusikesh has attended the class. So you open the steps, you follow first step, second step. Don't go any here, don't look any book, just concentrate the concept which I told you last class. So now if you solve this question, now let me solve this one. Now you have to solve this question. So see, this is the second question. Okay, this is the second question. So here, like this you have to do. You can use any method. You can use this method also. You have to find out separate DSC, you have to find out r minus 3, and DSI find out 3 times of C, and you add. Okay, you can use this method, but we can use direct formula. This is ds will be equal to, this is 3m plus r minus 3j. This is widely used direct formula, you have to use in the case of frame. So now you first you have to consider there is no hinge are present. So for how many joints are there? Tell me how many joints. So this is 1, okay, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and this is 8, and this is 9. So 9 number of joints are there. 9 number of joints are there. How many number of member are there? Member C, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Internal hinge now we are not taking into consideration. Okay, 3. Now this is member 4. Okay, this is member 5. This member is 6. This member is 6. This is 7. This is 8. Okay, and this 9, and this is 10. So total member is how much? Total member is 10. How many reaction are there? So all are fixed. No, this one is fixed. So number of reaction will be 3, and this is hinge. Okay, this hinge will provide how many reaction? 2 reaction, because rotation is allowed. It will not create a moment. So this is 2 reaction, 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is also fixed. So this is 6, 7, and 8. Total reaction is how much? Total reaction will be 8. So now if you use the formula 3m plus r minus 3j. Okay, so direct we are not considering the internal hinge. So here without considering the internal hinge, we are not considering the internal hinge into part. So ds dash we are finding out the 11. ds dash means it is not actually we are not have considered the internal hinge. Now if you find out the final ds, okay, final ds, now you have to consider the internal hinge into account. So this is one internal hinge, shear hinge, and it is present in between the member. How many member are meeting at this particular joint? This is 2 member. So they have to do, this is how much? M minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1. So we have to deduct 1 for this. Again same thing here, we have to deduct 1 for this. Again same, we have to deduct 1 for this. 2 member are meeting, M minus 1, and we have to deduct 1 for this.